Good morning, seventh graders. Let's go through what it is that I want you to accomplish today when I'm not here. So just make sure we're getting work done and that it's not just free time and social time for you. There is work that I'm expecting you to get done. So let's make sure we get it done. First thing is to make sure that we are done with the energy pyramid lab, the sim that we were working on for Thursday and Friday in class. If you saw it already in Google Calendar, it is on as homework that is due tomorrow. If you do not finish it, there's really no reason why you should not be done with it by tomorrow morning, and that you should have to do it for homework. It should be done within probably 10 minutes of class if you're using your time correctly. Just two quick reminders on that. So let's look at the doc. All right, so real quick, just remember two other things that I added in Friday that are not on your doc that I'm showing you here, but they're not on yours. But since I'm allowing you to turn in one document for your entire group, make sure I have everyone's name up at the top so I can give everyone credit. Otherwise, it's going to be really hard for me to remember who was in which group. And then if you also remember down here, before you get to the questions, as you finish each of these 5 ecosystems here, that you are taking a screenshot of your completed pyramid. And you can shrink them down so they're small pictures so that the doc doesn't get huge and out of control. But I need those 5 pictures to show me that you completed each of those pyramids. Once you're done with this doc, you can hit the turn in button. Many of you are done. And like I said, most of you should be done probably within the first 10 minutes. So let's talk about what it is you're going to do next. Once you're done with the simulator, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go back to Google Classroom. And you'll see in there that I have a document that's called Interaction Among Living Things Graphic Organizer. Click and open up that doc. That doc gives you the directions. It's not the actual doc that you're going to complete. You guys are going to open up and make your own doc. All right, so when you click and open the doc, it looks like this, Interactions Among Living Things, and it gives you the directions. So you guys are going to make a graphic organizer in Google Draw that organizes the important information from pages 24 to 31. Those are the green books that are over on the side counter. When you are making your graphic organizer, use the subheadings and the organization of the textbook to help you organize your graphic organizer. If you get all the information in there, I think it's helpful for you to put in pictures that represent examples of some of those key concepts. The way I would like you to do this is I would like you to start your own for a couple of minutes, like 10 minutes, like it says here on the doc, and then you can work with someone else, but you have to have your own docs. This is not something that you can share. When you're making your organizer, even though this isn't the same topic, here's an example of what one could look like. This one's from plate tectonics, where you have kind of the central idea in the middle, and then you have, it's like a web off of it where you can put in some of the key vocab terms or some explanations. Like I said, maybe add some pictures to help give some examples to the key concepts as you go forward. If you are able to finish that graphic organizer, which I'm not expecting you to, it's not homework, but my guess is that you should be able to get a good chunk of it done, but it is not homework, that graphic organizer, as you guys don't have the books. So don't take the books, don't finish it at home. If by chance you do finish it and there's some time left, later this week I will be assigning an Edpuzzle for homework that goes through energy pyramids, reviews, keystone species, and things like that. So if you are finished with everything, you can go over the Edpuzzle. It's there. It's not due, though, until Friday. All right, so hopefully you can get some work done. Have a good morning, and I will see you either on Wednesday or I'm here in the afternoon, so I might see you around later in the afternoon. All right, bye.